Don't take it personal, I ain't lying, I ain't hiding, I've been grinding, multiplying, I've been trying to keep my weight up.
Hey friends, welcome back. Thanks for stopping by. So today's video is going to be a nice video. If you guys grew up in the 70s, 80s, then you know about something called vinyl records. I'm starting to collect vinyl records because I grew up in the 70s, and I used to be a big collector of vinyl records and 45 records. Y'all probably don't know, but the 45 records were like singles you could get. You know, it was a way of collecting music and not having to spend a lot of money, because you could sometimes get a 45 record, which was a single from the artist's album, for like 99 cents, and you could just put it on your record player and play it. So I started collecting albums last year, and y'all, those albums are expensive. So I really want to cherish my albums, and I wanted to put them on display somewhere where they couldn't just be easily touched, and I thought it would make a nice conversation area. So I'm going to be creating a display of my records. So I'm gonna show y'all the space, and in this it's going to be a DIY too, because I have this like console table, and y'all wouldn't believe, but I got this from the trash can a few years ago. More than a few years ago. I think it was 2017 when I actually found this in the trash can, and I brought it home. I cleaned it and I painted it. But now it needs to be refreshed, done over. So I'm going to refresh it, and we are going to create the display wall with my album. So if you want to see how everything turns out, keep watching. And if you aren't subscribed to the channel, subscribe to the channel. And I hope this video inspires you in some way. All right, y'all, let's get into the video. All right, y'all, so this is the wall that I'm going to display my vinyl records on, and this is the table that I'm going to revamp. But I don't think I'm going to show you guys me refreshing the table on camera, because my phone is acting really crazy and I don't have a lot of space. So I'm trying to get as much as I can for y'all. I'm hoping to get through this video all the way through, but if I don't, it's going to be a part 2, because I don't have a lot of storage on my phone. All right, y'all, so these are the rules of the giveaway. Screenshot them, do whatever you have to do. Before we get started, I want to show y'all some of the things that I got from Amazon. I purchased this LED light. It's not black, it's gold. I don't really know if I like this, but we'll see. I mean, it was $9.99, so the price caught my eye, but I'm not really liking the color that much. I got, well, I already took some of my other side, but these to put on the wall like this, and the album will be sitting in with these screws. So yeah, I'm gonna hang these on the wall, and the plant that I already had. I like to repurpose a lot of things in my house. Use this on the table. Here's my record player. And yeah, y'all, I got that. And now play inside, and you'll see how this works once I complete the video. But yeah, y'all, I'm happy with everything that I have. I didn't spend a lot of money. I think this was $12.99. We're at $12.99. So that really wasn't a lot. Everything else I already had. I mean, I already had the albums. I've been collecting them, but like I said, I don't have a lot of albums. I only have about, I think I have 8 or 9 albums. This is a Amazon box that I had. Record cleaning kit. Got Lauryn Hill album. I like Lauryn Hill. She had a lot of nice hits in the 90s. I think this was $29.99 on Amazon. It's 2 albums and it has the title of the album. On the back of the album it has Lauryn Hill. This is the old album, and then you have the other one. So yeah, I don't like how the way this came packaged. It's 2 albums, but it's not really secured. This is the back of the album. I don't know, this album cover is see.
About a thing, yeah, feel real good with your hands in the air and lick 2 shots in the atmosphere, 2 shots in the atmosphere.
Yeah, y'all, so this record is scratched. I'm gonna have to send it back to Amazon and get another one. If y'all get albums, check the albums because they only give you 30 days to return. So yeah, y'all, this album is scratched. I'm gonna send this right back to Amazon and get a replacement.
Simple people acting so proud. I hear them talking about us. Yeah. I can hear them thinking out loud. One might think it's obvious. Please don't spill your mind when you don't have a clue. Hey.
Y'all, I know that smoke detector is an eyesore, but I got another smoke detector. I'm gonna gotta get somebody to put it up for me. But yeah, I think I like that. Even though I don't like the gold that much, but we gonna make it do what it do. It's not too bad. So we got that up. So now I can work on the wall, making the wall look like something. But first I gotta let all this dry, like I said. So when I come back, this is gonna be a few days later. But alright, y'all, I see y'all the next day that I come back.
I could take a break from this world, running on a hamster wheel, but searching for something I can't feel. I just wanna be a lost girl and fly, take a breath, feel my wings spread.
My camera, well, my phone is stopped, and it was like, girl, you better delete some of this stuff before you go any further.